Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Runway to create branded motion clips. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Runway account and are logged in. Once you are in the platform, navigate to the project dashboard. Click on the New Project button to create a fresh workspace. Select a suitable project name that reflects your branding goals. Next, upload your brand assets, such as logos and color palettes. Click on the Assets section and use the Upload feature to add your files. After uploading, click on each asset to adjust any necessary settings. Make sure your logo is in a high-resolution format for better clarity in motion clips. Now, head to the Templates section to explore available motion clip options. Choose a template that aligns with your brand style and message. Once selected, click on the Edit button to modify the template. In the editor, you can personalize every aspect of the motion clip. Replace default text with your brand slogan or message. Use the text tool to adjust font styles that match your branding. Next, import your uploaded logo into the clip by dragging and dropping it into the editor. Resize and position the logo to your preferred location within the clip. To further enhance branding, use custom colors from your uploaded palette. Select elements within the template and apply your brand colors accordingly. Review the animation settings to ensure they reflect your brand's tone. You can adjust timings and transitions for a smoother flow. Once you are satisfied with the edits, preview the motion clip. After reviewing, click on the Export button to render your final video. Choose the preferred resolution and format for your output. Finally, hit the export confirmation and wait for the process to complete. Your branded motion clip is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.